The first step is to check if there are any group policies that are forcing Chrome to display this message. Group policies are often used in corporate or organizational environments, but they can also accidentally be applied on personal computers. To check for this, press Windows plus R, type G, click on OK. Now, in the group policy editor, go to computer configuration. Now, on administrative templates, go to Google or give Google Chrome. Now here you should see any policies related to Google Chrome. If you notice anything that seems out of place, as such as policies that might be managing Chrome on your system, disable or set them to not configured. Sometimes the issue can be caused by unwanted software or adware that has been installed on your PC. Go to Control Panel. Go to Programs. Then select Uninstall a program. Afterward, check if you have any suspicious software installed that might be controlling Chrome. Finally, if nothing works, you can try completely reinstalling Chrome to remove any lingering settings or policies. And there you go. Those are the steps to remove your browser is managed by your organization message in Google Chrome.